So guys, in this video you will see how only shallow clip you can earn in from Adsterra. So this is very simple. It's only take 10 to 12 minutes for doing this. See, I am just going to copy the direct link and paste it in here, and you will see a result like this 12 to 10 impression. And please don't skip this video. You will definitely see this result live with time, so that you can get the proof that actually this method working. So what actually we are going to start now. Let's copy the link and paste it in here in this site. Okay, then click on the run. Now I am actually starting this video. Okay, so after run, it will unblock any kind of direct link, it will unblock any kind of ad link, affiliate link from your Adsterra. So that's very simple. And see, any kind of link it unblock. And what happen if you want to work with multiple direct link, you can also work with this method. And always please see the time, 10:41. The timing is very important. I have already shared you the result, but I am starting from first to last to clear this method to you. So it's very simple. Just copy your direct link and paste in here. But remember, this is already 5. Okay, but remember, don't forget to reload your tab every time. It's mandatory. I am skipping it because I don't want to for consuming less time for making video. That's why I am not reloading. But you always, when you paste it in here, always please reload your full tab, then click on the testing button or start button. So what will happen, it will clear or refresh your tab, refresh your browser. So see, this is already I have done with so many direct link, but to get a better result I am trying more and more, so that you will see the final result. As I said before, as I shown you before starting the video, the result. So this is 10:43 AM. Please see the time, and my ad is loading in here. Okay, so the ad is now loading in here. Any kind of site you can unblock by using this method. Okay, so see, it's loading. And now what will happen, I am going to take another link just to ensure the whole work is going smoothly. And see, every ad is loading in here. Every ad is completely fine. Okay, see, it's already blocked, but immediately unblocked. Now it's 10:44 AM. This is the time frame. And see what is actually happening. There is, you have to wait some time to get the result in a statistics. So I will come, see, it is 10:54. After 10 minutes, see the result. It's now 11 impression and 0.810 and 0.009 revenue. Okay, so see what actually is happening here. It's, I am going to make it 0.1010 result. So I am going to do much reloading it here to see you, to get you the result. See, after doing this, I can show you the result. See, it's just need some time to get the result here. And see, it is 0.010. So by using this method, but don't do this repeatedly every time. If you do, your ad link will be detect as anonymous proxy detector. So use it after some interval, when, because my video will see so many person. if they do this all in same time, then maybe your link will be blocked. But you have to wait sometimes. You have to do this at the when everyone is sleeping, when everyone is not active in the online, then you will do this method. Okay, thank you. And don't forget to subscribe and comment in my video which method you are working and which method is working fine. Thank you.